Hi there, my name is Morgan Thorne, and I am a BDSM educator. My specialty is medical play, and I'd like to tell you today about the medical play bundle I have. This is a series of 5 different medical play classes that you can attend, and if you buy the bundle, you will save a total of $25 or $5 per class. So the classes, the workshops involved in this particular bundle are medical asepsis for BDSM play, where you will learn the fundamentals of how to create a sterile field and keep you and your partner safe while you engage in invasive medical play. Play Piercing 101, where we will discuss how to actually get started with play piercing, how to choose needles, and how to stick them in the skin, basically. We'll also have a suture skills workshop where we are going to learn how to actually use real sutures in the proper way. We will learn a number of different suture techniques so that you will know what technique to use under what circumstances, and that will hopefully enhance your play. There is also a class on blood play, which is how to play around with blood and bodily fluids, but in a safe way, including how to access those in a safe manner. And finally, we will have a class called Playing Doctor. This workshop will teach you actual medical terminology and skills so that you can add an element of realism to your medical role play, whether you're getting into edgier forms of play such as suturing and play piercing, or whether you just want to play doctor with your partner. These will add a layer of realism to your play. You can, of course, buy tickets individually for each class, or again, as a bundle where you save $25, $5 per class. So if you'd like more information on these classes specifically, or other classes that I have coming up in the future, please check the description box and the first pinned comment, and you will find them. Thanks very much, and I hope to see you in class.